Standard 9 History, Lesson number 4, Economic Development. Now we discussed about mixed economy that has been adopted by our country. Especially Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the staunch supporter of mixed economy. But in a capitalist country like America, maximum companies belong to the private owners. Okay, so we can find maximum companies in private sector in a capitalist country. But in a communist or socialist economy, or in a communist or socialist country like Russia or China, we can find maximum companies working in public sector. Means maximum companies belong to the government or administered by the government. And in a mixed economy, we find public sector, private sector, as well as joint sector also. Means some companies in particular production line, some companies belong to the government, some companies belong to the private owners. Means some productions are done both by the government companies as well as by the private companies. Some productions is done only by the private companies, and some production is only done by the government companies. We already discussed about defense equipments. Okay, only defense equipments and ammunition is produced by the Indian government. No private company is given permission to produce any such material or any such production. Now, for mixed economy to run smoothly, there is a need of coordination between the private sector and the public sector. This system aims at maximization of production and popular participation on a large scale. And effort has been made in this system to bring together the good aspects of both the capitalist and the socialist systems. A mixed economy cannot ignore the profit motive, entrepreneurship, discipline, time-bound planning, etc. So let us see. A country following mixed economy must see that there is a balance between public sector and private sector. Now let us see. A mixed economy also naturally tends to give priority to national interest. Long-term development is stressed upon with priority. The industries like defense, scientific research, education, roads, railways, waterways, seaport and airport development require huge capital investment, but the returns in these areas are delayed. Not many private industrialists are keen to invest in these areas. In such a situation, the government has to take the initiative. So in a mixed economy, we have to see that some of the in some of the fields, the companies, private companies are not interested to invest on a large scale. Now, these fields are defense, scientific research, education, roads, railways, waterways, seaport and airport development. Now, all these fields require lot of capital, lot of investment, lot of money, and the investor has to wait for a long to get the returns, okay, to get the money back. So private companies are not interested in investing, okay, to invest in these fields. So here the government has to see that it is taking initiatives and investing in these fields. Now thus India adopted the mixed economy model and 5 years plans and started off on its path of development. The industrial policy of 1973 increased the speed of development. Priority was given in this policy to control the influence of heavy industries, industrial families and foreign industries and remove the imbalance in regional development. The government focused on the development of small-scale industries and cottage industries. Government also started paying more attention to the cooperative sector. So let us see that in this way our government has accepted mixed economy, okay, and it has given priority to control the influence of the heavy industries or industrial families, rich businesses, rich businessmen, okay, foreign industries. The government tries to put control on all these uh, industries. Those are very rich. Okay. At the same time, the government is taking initiatives to support the small scale industries and cottage industries. Okay. So thank you very much. In the upcoming video, we will discuss about 5-year plans.